The remaining operating time depends on the battery and the memory capacity. You can check it at any time if you're not recording. Just hit the stop button on your dashboard. First, the battery LED will flash very slowly, followed by a flash of the memory LED. Each flash indicates approximately 1 hour of remaining operating time. The maximum of flashes are 5 times, and that means you have at least 5 hours of remaining operating time. Use this function from time to time to make sure that you always have enough operating time. If the battery status is less than 1 hour, the battery LED will begin to flash. If the battery status drops below 5 minutes, the battery LED will shine red. And that is the time where you can insert 3 AA batteries for more capacity. The memory capacity is working exactly the same way.